My name is Trace Van Dyne. Been here at Dyne Engineering since 1987 when my mom and dad opened the business. Basically, I'd been here pretty much every day of my life as a kid, and it just basically started from just sweeping the floors, cleaning the bathrooms, all the way to start running machines and start building engines. I did go to community colleges for different automotive programs and welding and machine shop programs, just have a little bit more knowledge. We build race engines for race cars, everything from sprint cars and midgets to circle boat racing. Well, what sets us apart from other machine shops, other engine shops, is the details, basically. Everything from, having stuff machined and measured proper and clean, all the way to having the spark plug wires routed nicely and having a proper looking engine. For the most part, luckily, we work in the race engine world where we're not getting too many engines that ran, 100,000 miles. Occasionally you do like the Simple Green van. It was a pretty grungy engine when it came in. But for the most part, the engines that we do only have 20 races or so time on it, to a year's worth of time. And so they don't get too grungy. But like I say, occasionally some of the street car, hot rod stuff that's been together for quite a while, it gets pretty thick with grime. So when our hands do get real greasy after working on a, real grungy engine, pretty much a Simple Green hand soaps works great. It's got enough grit in it to take the dirt out, but still leaves your skin on you. We've been using Simple Green probably since we've opened. It was always just the go-to cleaner degreaser for whenever there's an oil spill or water spill or any type of grease or mess. It's kind of the go-to bottle to grab and spray it and wipe it up. We use Simple Green anything from wiping down our hand tools before they get put away to wiping down the exterior of toolboxes or the workbenches, bathroom mirrors. We use it on everything. I get the big jugs. I think we mix the thing, about a 75% ratio of 3/4 full with the Simple Green and 25% of just tap water. That's kind of the go-to ratio that we use. Well, there's been times when we've had some big messes where we'll just throw the Simple Green 100%, but usually we try to conserve it a little bit. For the most part, it's pretty economical and affordable to get. There were other degreasers that I've picked up over the years. Wasn't really as impressed. Some of the stuff seemed like it was real abrasive on your hands, where the Simple Green, it's pretty friendly if you get it on you.